Hi, my name is Nick. I'm a trainee of Professional Japanese Teacher. So today we're going to be talking about linguistics. It sounds like a little nerdish, but you might be able to solve your whys in this video. Here we go. So, syntactic typology in linguistics. Syntax means how the language is structured. So you can't communicate if you speak or write the language in the wrong order, right? For example, in English, you love I, or I, you love. This is wrong, right? This is the syntax. You need to know the right word orders to build the phrases and sentences. So English is categorized as SVO type, and Japanese is SOV type. So you know these languages have different syntax, and this is what makes you confused. Once you comprehend this syntax kinesthetically, which is you get used to engage and use the language in this syntax, you'll be able to listen smoother and understand quickly. But if you learn like what is the subject and what is the object, these parts of speech, it always changes according to the context. So in this case, the only thing you need to know is the syntactic difference and also morphology. This is all about how the words transform. There's three types of transformations. Number one, agglutinative. Number two, inflectional. And number three, isolating. Agglutinative is like this. Played. Adding an affix to transform the word, which means the root of the word won't change. Affix, which is particles or auxiliary verb. Japanese is categorized as agglutinative. The root of the word is always same. So once you remember words, you only need to add affix to represent the word. Simple. And number two, inflectional. This is all about you need to remember the different word. For example, go and went. You don't say goed when it comes to express the past tense of go. And number three, isolating. This is the easiest one. Read and read. Sometimes you pronounce differently, but how you write is same. No transformation. If you're smarter than me, you notice that English has all these types. So if you're English speaker, congratulations. You already know these transformation types, so you can learn any languages easier. Alright, now here's the question of the day. What conjugation is most difficult for you to understand? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. ありがとう。